The second key to effective time management is to prioritize your daily tasks. To prioritize your daily tasks, you should write a list of everything you want to accomplish on a particular day. Everything you want to accomplish for your academics, for your extracurricular activities, for your job, for your internship, for your research, for your clubs and organizations, for your family, for your social life, and for your other obligations. Once you have a list of everything you want to accomplish on a particular day, you then assign a letter to each task to indicate its priority. The letter A should be assigned to tasks that must be completed that day, your highest priorities. The letter B should be assigned to tasks that should be completed that day, but if they are not completed that day, could be completed another day in the near future, your mid-level priorities. The letter C should be assigned to tasks that could be completed that day, but that could also be completed any other day, your lowest priorities. Once you have assigned a letter to each task, you then assign a numerical sequence to each task within each letter designation. After reviewing all your A tasks, your highest priorities, you decide which of those A tasks is the most important and assign it the number 1. You then continue to number your A tasks with the numbers 2, 3, 4, and so on in their order of importance until you have numbered all your A tasks. You then review all your B tasks, your mid-level priorities, and decide which of those B tasks is the most important and assign it the number 1. You then continue to number your B tasks with the numbers 2, 3, 4, and so on in their order of importance until you have numbered all your B tasks. Keep in mind that your highest numbered A task is still more important than your B1 task because, despite the higher number, it is still an A task, a high priority. Finally, you then review all your C tasks, your lowest priorities, and decide which of those C tasks is the most important, and assign it the number 1. You then continue to number your C tasks with the numbers 2, 3, 4, and so on in their order of importance until you have numbered all your C tasks.